10 Downing Street is the residence of the British Prime Minister. It is a very busy place where hundreds of civil servants work and where many official functions take place. Number 10 was originally given to the first Prime Minister, Sir Robert Walpole, as a gift. Number 10 looks like an ordinary terraced house from the outside, but it is grand inside. The front of 10 Downing Street is very famous because the Prime Minister and other famous politicians make important announcements outside this big black front door. Inside the building, there are a number of features and beautiful rooms, including the grand staircase and the state dining room. There are portraits of past prime ministers on the walls. Government ministers meet to discuss important issues in the cabinet room. The Prime Minister lives in a furnished flat on the second floor. But he also has his own flat where he works, reads, and meets his colleagues.